How to not secure your RecPro RV furniture, a RecPro story. Here's a quick little tale to walk you through about RecPro's furniture and what not to do. When securing your furniture down to the floor, think first, drill later, or troubles may pour. Chapter 1. Do not screw all the way through your slide-out floor. Ken wanted to set up his RecPro furniture. He thought, this will be easy, I've got this. He grabbed screws, he grabbed tools, he drilled, he screwed. He didn't realize it, but one screw went too far, right through the floor. The damage was hidden until he moved the slide out. He tried to put it in, he tried to put it out, scrape, scratch, gouge. The floor caught on a screw. Ken froze. He wished he had measured twice before securing the furniture. Ken scratched his head and let out a sigh. Next time I'll measure twice before I try. Check the length of the screw before you explore, or you'll leave little tears through your floor. Chapter 2. Don't screw into water tanks or water lines. Ken thought he was doing fine. He grabbed more screws, he grabbed more tools. Water lines, hidden water lines, they are under the floor. They are under the seat. Ken drilled. Suddenly, water sprayed up in his face. The floor was soaked. Ken slipped and flailed, landing on his knees. Ken groaned and said, I'll be more wise. Water lines are tricky in disguise. Water lines are sneaky under the floor. A careless poke and your work's out the door. Chapter 3. Don't drill into electrical wires. Ken thought he had learned something from the floor in the slide out. He grabbed his tools, he picked up more screws, he was confident. Electrical wires run under the floor. They twist and turn everywhere. Ken didn't see them. He drilled. Sparks flew, little arcs, little pops. Ken froze. His hands shook. Sparks danced dangerously close to his fingers. Smoke curled up from the floor. No one wants sparks flying inside their camper. No one. Not Ken, not anyone. He stepped back. His heart thumped. He realized he was lucky nothing caught on fire. Ken paused and thought, I'll be safe today. I'll leave the wires to those who know the way. Beneath the camper, wires may lie. Check under the trailer before you try. Chapter 4. Don't screw into a propane line. Propane lines. Yes, propane. Ken raised the drill, then he stopped. A leak isn't loud at first. It's sneaky. Then it's dangerous. He imagined a mistake that couldn't be undone. This wasn't about the furniture anymore. This was about safety. Real safety. The kind you don't joke about after the fact. His eyes opened wide and said, Propane lines, I'll keep my distance and not collide. Propane is serious, handle with care. One wrong move and you'll jump in the air. Chapter 5. Do not use seatbelts with RecPro's furniture. The furniture looked sturdy, really sturdy. Soft cushions, solid frame, comfortable armrests. And then the thought showed up. What if I just added seatbelts? He pretended to ride. He bounced, he flailed, he leaned left, he leaned right. He pictured a sudden stop, a sharp turn, and a hard hit. In his mind, the seatbelts failed. It wasn't funny anymore. It wasn't clever. It was dangerous. Furniture is definitely not a seat designed for driving down the road. You sit when parked, you relax when parked. You do not buckle yourself into furniture and pretend everything will be fine. Ken laughed and said, this furniture's for rest. Seatbelts and recliners just don't mesh best. Enjoy your furniture only when parked. Driving while seated, that's a plan that's quite dark. Chapter 6. Don't leave less than 3 inches of space between the sofa and the wall. At last, Ken felt proud, his furniture in place. He pushed it back tight, snug to the wall, in a perfect space. He sat down, ready to relax, pressed the button to recline, but wait, the wall was too close behind. The motor whined, buzzed, and puffed a little smoke. Ken jumped and waved. Well, that's no fun at all. Ken sighed in defeat at the stall. Always leave 3 inches of space between the sofa and the wall, or you'll fry the motor and give yourself quite a scare. Ken learned a lot in his camper that day about slide-outs, hidden wires, water lines, propane, and what not to do. RecPro's modular RV furniture is comfortable, solid, and well-made, but comfort doesn't matter if you ignore safety. Handle everything with care, take it slow, measure, check, leave room, don't guess. Remember the lessons big and small. Check before you drill, stay clear of propane, keep furniture space, don't sit in it while driving. Move carefully, think ahead, pay attention. Safety first, comfort second when you roll with RecPro.